Welcome to MoonMagic Bedtime Stories, where every adventure glows with magic. Every heart carries courage, and every night holds a story waiting to be discovered. If you love magical journeys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, so you never miss an adventure with Lina and her monster friend. Story narration: the night was alive with whispers and glittering stars. Lina held her star pendant close, feeling its warmth. The monster by her side sniffed the wind, alert. "Do you hear that?" he asked. Above the valley, hundreds of glowing sky lanterns floated gently, illuminating the forest with golden light. But something was strange. Some lanterns flickered, and then vanished into thin air. Lina frowned. "That's not right. Lanterns don't just disappear." A soft, mysterious voice echoed through the air. "Only those with true courage and a pure heart can solve the mystery of the sky lanterns." Lina and her monster friend exchanged determined looks. "It's our adventure tonight," Lina said. "Let's find out what's happening." The journey to the lanterns. They followed the lanterns into a hidden grove where the air shimmered with magic. At the center, a mysterious shadow hovered, tugging at the lights and twisting them into strange shapes. The monster growled softly. "Who are you?" The shadow whispered, almost sadly. "I am the keeper of lost wishes. I take the lanterns that have forgotten their dreams." Lina stepped forward bravely. "But every wish deserves to shine." The shadow paused. "Then you must prove it. Face the trial of hope, courage, and friendship." Suddenly, the lanterns surrounded them, forming a glowing spiral. They weren't just lights anymore. They were alive, each holding a forgotten dream, floating like stars in the night sky. The trial of courage. The first challenge appeared. A path of floating lanterns over a bottomless canyon. "One wrong step, and we fall," whispered the monster. Lina held his paw tightly. "We'll do it together." Step by step, they crossed, lanterns glowing beneath their feet like tiny moons. The wind tried to push them back, and shadows of doubt appeared, but they encouraged each other with kind words and courage. Next, a storm of lanterns swirled around them, blinding their eyes. The monster whispered, "I'm scared." Lina smiled. "So am I. But fear can't stop us if we keep moving forward." Holding each other's hands, they spun through the storm, laughter and determination lighting the way. The heart of the mystery. Finally, at the top of the grove, a giant glowing lantern floated, pulsing like a heartbeat. The shadow appeared beside it. "This is the heart of forgotten wishes. Only those who truly care can restore it." Lina stepped forward, her heart full of hope. She touched the lantern. Light spread through the grove, weaving every lost wish into the sky. The shadow smiled, fading into sparkles. "You've restored the dreams, and reminded the world that every wish matters." The lanterns floated back into the sky, shining brighter than ever before. The forest hummed with magic, and the stars above twinkled in celebration. Ending and subscribe reminder: the monster nudged Lina. "We did it. The lanterns are safe." Lina nodded, holding her star pendant to her heart. "And every wish has a chance to shine again." Soft lullaby outro music begins. Thank you for joining Lina and her monster friend on this magical adventure. If you loved this story, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to MoonMagic Bedtime Stories, where every night brings a new journey, and every story carries a little sparkle of courage and friendship. Coming soon. Episode 12. The Whispering Moon Garden. Moral of the story. Even forgotten dreams have power when someone believes in them. Courage and friendship can light up the darkest skies, and kindness restores hope in every heart.